Haba iaid hati ksew wiar. Ngim semua per. Ke isu ke baktai ke jai bendriu kimat ong. Tang bandim ke ri ke jai bendriu. Tang bendre im ke pateng ke jungi kimat ong baka HITO ke ke political party lelai. And which affect the common people in our state. Many of the citizens of the state will think that we support the VPP, but actually we support the good policy that lead by the VPP. This is not, we didn't take it as a political group or a political movement, but we took them as those political leaders who really want to help the common people of the state. So we came in support because we see till date, if you see since 2015 till now, relate with the coal mining in our state. If you remember in September 2015, the last resolution passed by the government MUA2, government of under the leadership of Mukul Sangma, they passed one resolution and they sent it to the President of India to exempt and to ask the permission or to ask the central government to make the law relate to delete the MMDR so that there will be mining again in our state relate with the small scale mining and different type of mining in our state. But till now, there is no highlight from the MDA2, but in fact, they play a drama by going to Delhi each and every time. But we know it very clearly, this is a Sikh scheduled area. We have our own unique history through the instrument of accession. So we know it very clear, this is just only the drama that MDA2, they don't want to help the people of the state, and they just they mislead the people by promising them that soon there will be caste mining in our state. So we from the organization, we are very disheartening from the doing of the MDA2. That's what we have to come out to the street and highlight our demand. And if you remember in 2023, from the HITO, we proposed to the government to make a hostel for college students. But till now, that also the government didn't take it up either in the assembly or neither in the cabinet or neither they call us for talk. And recently, there is one issue also that the MDA2 they didn't take any action related with those officers involving in those helping the servicemen. I will allege that the SPDC only help, otherwise the common man or the common people or the mafia, they wouldn't dare to plot the road which belong to the government. If the pressure group or if any organization try to destroy the government property, the government file an FIR, but it's very shocked to see that till date there is no action has been taken against the DCSP of the East and the Hills.
That's a claim that the HITO is a part of the political party of the VPP. Do you agree that?
It's okay. There's a set in Hindi, kutte bhuke bazar, hati chale bazar, which mean that in kasi ki ong habaya ksew hati habaya hati ksew wiar. Ngim semua per. Ke isu ke baktai ke jai bendriu kimat ong. Tang bandim ke ri ke jai bendriu, tang bendre im ke pateng ke jungi kimat ong baka HITO ke political party lelai. Khum ban jasa susu ba Kibun ki pasnu thu seng bhalang bar ka pressure group. Haba ong pressure group ki ki political leadership. Haba ong seng bhalang ki ki social leadership. Kajing ya pher ki social leadership par ki political leadership kadang ka ba pher bha. Haba ngi ki pressure group ngi don ko hok ban you but ngi don ko hok ban yaro ya ki bale ki ba ki wan ra ya kita ki polisi ki ba biang. Lada ka katakan NPP, lane ka UDP, HSPDP, lane ka khanam. Par ki political party. Ong ki wan sakmat. Keren ya ke parti ya kata ke isu ke bakta ya ke bandre ke HITO kan dei ke bahmat du kan ya dan rei lada phi pa ban fiale drama ngi na kalian juga HITO ngi persya te from our side we don't affiliate with any party but we support the decision for the betterment and for the future and the betterment of the state and for the betterment of the youth.